that shake that I get at 70 miles an hour, I bet you that's it. That is a sway bar bracket bushing, I think. Tell me if that's right. Let me know. I think we're gonna go out and get some bushings, guys, and we'll see if that takes care of that. I'm sure the other side's probably just as shot. All right, guys, we're in the trap shack. Check this out. Yeah, we got the bushings AutoZone and the L card up on Casopolis. They had them actually. So we have the new bushings for that front sway bar. Let's check them out. Oh yeah, 2 in a pack. They're both in here. And I think what we'll do, guys, is obviously you get the old ones out. Man, they're stiff. Open it up, slide it around, and we'll grease the stabilizer bar where this goes, and then clamp them back down. So that's the plan, guys. We're gonna get into it in just a second. All right, trappers, check it out, man. You can see I've got dirty hands. I've been at work. I have the old one off and the new one on, but I want to give you guys a look at what I'm doing and how to do it. It's real simple. It's not very hard. So quick explanation without even really visually watching me. You guys should be able to go do this. It's not very hard. Let's check this out, guys. So, you know, obviously you got to jack your car up, take the tire off. I always throw the tire underneath there is good measure. I have a jack stand up underneath here to support it here, but this is the stabilizer bar bushing that you guys seen earlier. There's a little bolt here. I'm not even sure what size it is, guys. I think it's like an 8 mil. So I just took that out, and then up here, let's see if we can get you in here, guys. Let's see. Yeah, there's the top bolt, and I think I used a 15, and I just backed that out. And then there's one down here underneath the shield behind this. Is exactly the same as the one up there, and I just backed it out, and that bushing slid right out. And this bar actually came down because the suspension gave, you know, like it doesn't like come down fast or anything. It just kind of slowed down as the shock extended, because it didn't have a stabilizer bar there to help obviously stabilize it. So I used the second jack here, just this little crank jack, and I stuck it up underneath here on this part of the wheel underneath the hub, and just lifted it, and it brought it right back up to where it needed to be. I put the new bushing, well, I greased it and then put the new bushing on, guys, and we got it clamped in there. So I think we'll be good like that. We're gonna do the other side and take it for a drive and see how it does, guys. Hopefully no more knocks and no more vibration in the wheel. That is kind of crummy. We're gonna finish this up and see how it goes. We'll see you here in just a few minutes, guys. All right, guys, we are back from our drive, man. We got our hands clean, got our shirt changed back. Man, I feel human again. But yeah, real nice, guys. No shakes in the wheels, no clunks, anything like that. That was top notch, man. It really was. I'm glad that worked out good like that. But it was simple. Probably took less than an hour of actual work. It went real good, and I think that anybody could probably accomplish this if just so long as you have a few tools. It really wasn't that difficult at all. Thanks for watching, guys. Take a second, hit that notification bell, and hit the subscribe button. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.